Hey everyone, for this video I will show you how to correctly use your voice in Suno AI. First, go to their site. Now sign in or sign up to your account. Once in, you can now create your own music. Just go on the create button on the left panel, then choose custom. On the lower part, you can see an audio button. Click on it, then agree to their terms. Now you can either upload a file or record an audio. Click on record audio, then allow it. Now you can sing, it will record your voice like happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. And once done, just click on finish recording. Here you can either save it without trimming or you can trim your voice. Now I will just trim my audio, then save it. After that, just click on confirm and save. Now as you can see, your audio is now recorded. When you scroll down, you can type in a lyrics for your song. Then for the style, you can type in a prompt that you want to go with your song. For example here, I will type in retro vibes, upbeat energy, 80s synthwave style. Now you can type a title for your song. You can also extend it. Just click on the extend button on the upper part. Once done, click on create. Now, as you can see on your right panel on your workspace, it generated two versions of your song. You can listen to it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. And you can hear that it uses your voice. Now, if you like to download it, click on the three dots under the song, then select download, and just click on download anyway. And now your song will be downloaded to your device. And that's it. That's how you use your own voice in Suno AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.